Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey Lobos, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was sent to me by Unice Hair. Shout out to you, Unice, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. Right here I'm showing you guys what all came in the packaging, and this is the unit, honey. Now this unit is in the color TL27. It is 24 inches long and it's 150% density, and as you guys can see, it is a straight wig. Right here I'm showing you guys the cap construction. It does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and this is a lace part wig, meaning you cannot part her elsewhere, honey, okay? So if you are interested in any more detailed specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. Obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Unice Hair. Shout out to you, Unice, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. So the unit I am rocking is their Unice Highlight Ombre TL27 Straight Human Hair Lace Part Wig. It's 150% density, and it's from their Bet You series. I am looking. Okay, so I was looking for the bag that the unit came in so I could tell you guys what length that I have. I'm gonna look again in my email to see if I have it. Okay, so here it is. It says my unit is the ombre 24-inch straight closure wig. It's 150% density. Okay, so now we're gonna get into what they have. So keep in mind that the wig that I am rocking is 24 inches long, honey, and this unit does come in inches 14 to 24 inches. So I have it in the lace part unit, and when I say lace part, that means you cannot part this wig anywhere else, honey. So when I showed you guys like the little thing like underneath the closure, that was like the little light part that's in the lace or whatever. You can't part this wig anywhere else, okay? So you can maneuver it to the left or the right if you want to, but you will literally have to move the wig, and it may be longer or shorter, just depending on where you move it to. Child, this shirt that I got is a little too big. I got it in a large, and it's just big, but I love the shirt, so I wore it anyway. But yeah, so you can't part this wig anywhere else. So I want you guys to keep that in mind when you know, checking out this wig. I'm not sure if you can get this wig because the models on the picture looks like they have like maybe a closure type unit, like the 5x5 closure or something, or even a frontal. But mine is a lace part wig. So I just want you guys to know that and be wary of it in case, you know, that is not your swag. If you don't like the lace parting wigs, if you prefer something that you can, you know, like more of a free part, I want you guys to know that. So this unit is 150% density, and as you guys can see, this is a straight unit. So as far as shedding and tangling goes with this unit, there is literally none, honey. Okay, as you guys can see, I am running my fingers through it. And even though the density is 150, I feel like with this unit, 150 is a good density. Like, I don't feel like it would need to be 180 unless you just like really super thick wigs. I feel like this density is a really good density with this particular unit. As far as the hairline, like, I feel like the hairline is kind of standard with this type of wig. Like, it's just like a straight it's just a straight hairline. Like, I don't think it's a big deal when it comes to straight units, because for the most part, you know, there's nothing showing. Usually you're gonna wear it like this. I have mine kind of pulled like that only because I do have like the little baby hairs on the side. When it comes to tweezing these type of wigs, you have to be really careful. You have about this much space to tweeze it if you want to. I usually don't tweeze these type of units just because I'm not like great at tweezing, honey. I always tell you guys, I'm nobody's beautician. So when tweezing these wigs, I be a little scared because I know that I'm not just like great at doing that. So I don't really like to tweeze these type of wigs because I'm scared that I'm gonna end up showing tracks. So I would just rather not, and I'm fine with it looking like this. But if you're like somebody that's really good at tweezing wigs, or you know somebody that can tweeze wigs, then you can definitely, you know, you have a little bit of space right here to tweeze it if you want to. And you're just like, honey, I can't do that super straight hairline. Like, that is not my swag. I can't do it. Then yeah, definitely either you tweeze it or get somebody that you know knows how to do it. To me, it's not that big of a deal, but I'm also somebody that doesn't really care if people like, it's a wig, it looks like a wig. I don't give a poot, honey. Okay, I don't really care. But if that's like your thing, then definitely get somebody to tweeze it. There is some room here to do that, and I didn't even know that was a thing until I pulled out this hair over here on the side. I was like, yeah, there's a little space here to tweeze if you want to. And yeah, there's no shedding with this wig so far for me. Not saying that it won't shed at some point, but right now there's no shedding with this unit whatsoever. And yeah, y'all, that is basically it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick lint check, and then we can get into how I feel about this wig. Okay, so do y'all see why I love this shirt? It says Poetic Justice, and it has like little pictures and quotes from that movie. I love that movie. I have always loved that movie, so I thought it was cute. But anyway, so this is all of the hair brought to the front on me. Let me make sure it's all of it, y'all. This is all of the hair. And this is where it comes to me. Keep in mind, I'm 5'4", so it can be longer or shorter on you, just depending on your own height. And this is where it comes to me in the back. Can you see it? Yeah. Oh, I wish I would have got this in a medium. But anyways, y'all, yeah, that's where the unit comes to me. So if you are interested in how I feel about this unit, as well as products and all that good stuff that I used on it in a full 360, then please continue to watch. Okay, so honestly, y'all, I really like this unit. I feel like it's really convenient. I love wigs like this because I love something that I can just kind of throw on and it's cute, and it's not like I have to put in a whole lot of work. It is the holidays, and who wants to be sitting just like forever doing their hair on the holidays, honey? Not me, not your girl, honey, okay? I love a unit that I can just kind of throw on and go, especially right now because it's a little hectic, it's a little busy. I don't know about you guys' house, but my house right now is a little hectic and it's a little like, So I love something that I can just kind of throw on. It's definitely an easy slay. It did not take a whole lot of time. Honestly, doing my makeup took the longest amount of time as far as filming this video, and you know, just dealing with my baby because it was just me and her for a minute, so it took me longer than I expected, but it wasn't from the wig. And I love something that I can definitely just throw on, and it's an easy slay because I live a very busy life, honey. Even though now I'm PRN, my life is still kind of busy. I'm still just kind of like running around. I still like wear a lot of hats. So I love a unit that is really easy and convenient for me. So yeah, I think it is an entire look. I love the highlights in the front. I love that they have the dark roots here and then the highlights, because I know there's an issue for a lot of people when it comes to this look, like the blonde in the front. I know a lot of people don't like for the blonde to start at the top. It kind of throws people off. But I love that this unit does have the dark roots at the top and then goes on into the blonde, because I feel like it definitely makes it more wearable. Even without makeup, this unit is still really nice. When it comes to color or any type of color in a unit, sometimes it can feel like you have to have makeup on to wear these type of wigs, but when it has dark roots in the top like this one, it makes it a lot more wearable. You know what I'm saying? Like, get it, girl. So yeah, I'm feeling it. It's a look. Shout out to you, Unice. I am definitely feeling it. And yeah, I have no complaints with this wig whatsoever. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing up. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, I am feeling it. Today is Christmas Eve, so I want to tell you guys, everybody, you know, Merry Christmas. I know this video will definitely be seen after Christmas, but I want to say Merry Christmas anyways, and definitely Happy New Year's, honey. We have almost made it out of 2020. It has definitely been a trying year for us all, okay? Globally, this year has been a trying year. I am so glad that we're almost out of it. I am claiming that 2021 is going to be an amazing year for all of us. And yeah, y'all, I am happy with this unit. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And honey, we are done. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm held to Miss D on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.